Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be restoring my headlights and get everything masked down. Took out the bumper. I'm gonna clear coat it. So I'm gonna sand it and I'm gonna clear coat it with the. I'm gonna try this out. This Meguiir like clear coat spray, some sandpaper. So I got everything masked off. I'm gonna do the fog light too. So I'm gonna attempt to do it. If it's like still bad, I'm just gonna get new headlights and new fogs. It's yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do some test runs. Do the side first and do the other side, see how it goes, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, I just put the third coat on with the Meguiir clear coat. So I'm gonna let it dry. You're supposed to let it cure for like 24 hours, so I'm pretty much done with this side. I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna do the other side. So this is the after. And this is the before, so I'm gonna sand it down, then we'll clear coat it too. Alright guys, so I'm about to start on the 1000 grit and the 1500, then I'll be right back and show you the when I start painting it, clear coating it. Alright, I just finished sanding it, so I'm gonna start the clear coat. Three to 5 minute dries. Second coat. Alright guys, so I've been drying it for like what? Maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes. So this is the outcome. It looks so good. Liking it, so I'm gonna wait 24 hours and let it cure. But so far looking good. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna do the fog lights. Then I'm gonna open it up and take it apart. I'm gonna try to see if I can remove that yellow lens. So, because I want to get, like white fog lights. I don't want the yellow color. So I'm trying to remove that yellow projector that's in there. See if I can take it off. So as of right now, the headlight is looking good. This is the passenger side. So this is the driver's side. I've been driving for like about an hour, and it looked pretty like it's brand new. So 24 hours, let it cure. Then I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna see if it have like the orange peel. If it does, I'm gonna wet sand it 2000 grit. Then it'll be done. Then I'm gonna polish it and polish it and put a wax on it. Alright, so next is the fogs. Alright guys, so this is the next day. These are 24-hour cure of the headlights, and they look freaking brand new. The fog light, I'm still working on it. But yeah, this is pretty much it for today's video. And the car, brand new. Look, it make it look way better now. So stay tuned. Next video is gonna be me modding this fog light. Watch, you're gonna see. Alright, stay tuned.